Good morning, class. Today we'll be learning a very important topic, and this is required for your higher studies. Today we'll be learning about very important energies: potential energy, kinetic energy, and mechanical energy. To understand the concept, here is a simple demonstration. To understand this, I have taken an apple over here. Now, let us understand potential energy. Energy of position. Now, this is an apple alright, so I'm holding an apple, so this is the energy of the position. Okay, next, now kinetic energy. Now if I throw this down, if I roll it, this is the energy of motion. One is the position, next is the energy of motion. Got it? So energy of position is potential energy, and energy of motion is kinetic energy. Energy of position, anything like a ball, basketball that you're holding the ball, also there's a energy of position, and when you release it, that becomes the energy of motion. Next, now, so mechanical energy, the total potential energy and kinetic energy of an object. So when potential energy and the kinetic energy, it combines together, then we get mechanical energy. Next, now, to understand this, now the bouncing ball, you must have seen that, has a kinetic energy when it is in motion. So whenever a ball is bouncing in the air, or you throw the ball up, when the ball is bouncing, it is in the motion, and potential energy to go back down when it stops or when it comes to your place, like when you hold a ball like this at a girl's or boy's hand, anything, right? When it holds, when the ball is bounced and when it comes to your hand, this means the potential energy. I hope that you are clear with this concept. So energy of position means let's take example an apple. You're holding this, there's an energy of position, and when you throw up in the air, this becomes energy of motion, that is kinetic energy. Few more examples with combined potential and kinetic energy. Now when we stretch a bow, now this boy is trying to stretch the bow. A stretched bow has potential energy. When he releases, when he's trying to, now over here he has not released, so a potential energy is there. When he releases the arrow, this arrow, now when it moves, this changes, the potential energy changes to kinetic energy. Okay, next, now the food we eat has a muscular potential energy, that is potential energy is stored energy. Alright, so it can be converted into kinetic to move things. So food also, it acts as a muscular potential energy. More examples of kinetic energy will be, right, from a snail moving to satellite orbiting Earth, all moving objects have kinetic energy, means whatever things is in motion, it is kinetic, and when it comes to a position, it stops. So energy is stored, that becomes potential energy. Next example of potential energy, a stationary car has potential, so energy is stored. Water collected in a dam has potential energy. When we let out, this potential energy is converted into kinetic energy, which makes it move. Alright, so this is all we are going to learn for today. So just understand the concept. Whenever it's related to motion, it is potential energy, and when it is related energy related to position is known as potential. P for position, remember that concept. And kinetic energy means related to motion. And mechanical energy, combination of both potential energy and kinetic energy of an object. So this is all we are going to learn for today.